Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, obviously you can tell by the title, we're gonna be setting up my new couch by Cozey. So today's video is sponsored by Cozey, and I will be setting up this couch. I am more than excited to get started. You can already see kind of the boxes poking through, so let's bring the rest of them in. So these are all the pieces we received. There's 25 pieces in total, which is a lot. It was a lot to bring up, but I'm super excited. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, yeah, this is the bottom. This is cool. This is so cool. You like the couch? Oh, they're in there?
Yeah.
You wanna put them on now?
Why not?
So these pieces screw into the holes at the bottom here. First impression. Oh!
Yeah.
No, this is soft. I like this. I'm a fan. I like this.
It's very soft.
Very soft. First piece set up. Is it nice?
It's actually way softer than I thought it would be.
Yeah.
Ow.
Okay.
Okay, so they hook on right there. Oh, this is comfy.
This is cool.
This is way cooler than I thought.
Wait. Does it have
So
legs?
it doesn't touch the ground.
This has legs though.
It's in the box. The box came with extra legs.
Oh. Okay, so these are the covers. We got this cute copper shade. Yeah. Wow, there's a bunch in here. Okay, so it tells you back seat, the back seat cover, unit covers. Okay.
Yeah, perfect. I got that on really quick.
So for the covers, this is like a Velcro that you attach, so it's more secure.
Less comfy with the covers.
Why would it be less comfy with the covers?
I.
I'm just gonna hook it on the side.
Yeah, so I guess if you stain one, you just take off one.
Yeah, you just wash it. You just gotta wash one. Like even if you just stain the bottom.
Like
not
if
the
she
top.
did blue, just peed there.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you just wash it. I really appreciate that. Oh, I got it. This is so nice.
Aesthetically pleasing.
I love it. I love it. So this is the first seat. Look at how nice that looks. Give you a little bit more insight into what the setup of the couch was actually like. Each box came with a seat unit, and each seat unit was labeled, whether it was a backrest, the seat itself, an armless chair backrest, a corner seat, everything was labeled. Even the boxes were labeled, as well as the unit covers, so nothing was confusing, which made it very user-friendly, which I really appreciated. Saved me a lot of time. And at the bottom of each seat unit was actually the legs of the couch zipped in, which was really cool because everything was super simple. There was no tools needed. They also included a protective washer that goes in before you screw in the legs, and then an anti-slip pad on top in case you didn't want the chair to move or slip around. And when that part was done, all we did was slip on the unit covers as you saw before, and then we just got to configuring the couch. put that on.